Hi everyone, got an unboxing video for you today. We got a couple of swag boxes from Kaleidos Creative, who are a fairly new company. Started last year, and it's a bunch of industry veterans who got together to form an artist-led company that so far created some pretty incredible pieces. So let's have a take a look in this swag box. Amazing colours, great design. And let's see what's inside. So, what have we got here? This guy is actually the mascot, and he's called Kaleidos. This is the medium size. There's a keyring version and there's a larger version of this guy. Let's take a quick look. Pop him out of his bag. Strong sellotape. So there you go. That's Kaleidos. Very cool. Like I say, he's in a few different sizes as well, but this is the one that's in the swag box. Really, really well manufactured plush. I see a lot of plush I don't like because they're a bit, they just don't feel great. But this feels premium, and he's an excellent character. So the size of this guy, the medium one, he's about 13 centimetres high and around about 20 centimetres wide. Yeah, nice looking piece. Let's put him over there. And oh, what's this? Right, this is a pin, and it looks interesting because I could see two separate pieces to that pin. You see that? Let's take that out, have a look. Oh yeah, that's an odd twist, a pin that moves. So this is what's called their spinning flower logo pen. The top section actually moves. That's really cool. Really cool. I try not to lose it too quickly, but I can't guarantee that because I seem to shed pins when I walk around for some reason. You'll see it's transparent as well, so it's not solid. There's actually transparent sections in this pen. When the sunlight appears in the UK, that's going to look great. So, there's also a card in the box which tells you all about Kaleidos, who they are, what their mission is, and what they're all about. You can see the names and the signatures of the artists there. Okay, there's two blind boxes in here as well. This is the first one, Tiny Shiny Heinies. Now these are available in different sizes, but this is the small blind box version. As you can see, there's all these variants. There's a couple of secret versions as well. Now these are by a guy called Kabuki, which is an artist called Seth, who's become a good friend. We've worked with him a lot recently, and he's just amazing to work with. Incredibly professional. So any company he's a part of, we know it's going to be a good company. Let's rip this lid open and see what we've got. Okay, standard box, standard blind bag, and there's a little card in there. Let's see what that has on it. Is that a giveaway? Is that a bit of a clue? Let's take a look. So the dog is one of six, 1 in 6, and that's the sweet card that comes with it. So let's open the actual blind bag. Yeah, really cool. Very cute. Very well modelled. Very shiny hiney. Fantastic collectible, and the quality is as you would expect. Amazing. Good work, Seth. Look forward to seeing the others. Put that box there. Now these are called Ghost Cat. And there's a series of blind box characters in here, which you can see. There's 6 regular and there's a secret. And they're extraordinary looking figures. Basically, this is a ghost cat that possesses household items. I think just to confuse the little bird. It's hard to tell, but if you look there, you can see a tumble dryer, television, a tin, yeah, for fish, a cookie jar, a blender, a coffee machine, and I don't know what the secret is, obviously, because it's secret. Let's get this one open. Now this one isn't in a blind box bag. Don't know why, but I actually quite like this. Blind box bags are good, but I also quite like this. You still get the same surprise because you don't see what it is until you open the lid. And again, there's a card. Nice touch. Collectors like this kind of detail, and it's really well done. So I'm guessing this is going to be the cookie jar. So it's Ghost Cat cookie jar. Let's take a look. And there we go. Indeed, Ghost Cat cookie jar. You can see Ghost Cat inside there. His little bird friend on top. Really fantastic quality, made of PVC and ABS. That little bird is tiny, so the detail on there is fantastic. Yeah, curious. Very, very collectible. So there we go. So there's the first 2 blind boxes that I've seen from Kaleidos. I do have another couple of the larger figures to look at later on, but I'm pretty sure you'll agree they're really cool figures. The quality is just second to none. Even on the pin, the quality is it's just amazing. Everything is important to this company, you can tell. Maybe a little bit obsessive, but that's what we want from our collectibles, isn't it? Speak to you soon. Bye bye.